pray that over the next 10 years, if they put tenants in the property, that it'll cash flow. And that's what Warren did. And surprisingly so, he still did, all right when it comes to getting things dialed in later in life. Man, he could have accelerated the pace. He really could have. Anyway, here's what happened. My wife was raised around her father, Warren, who every year he would just go out and buy another rental property. I mean, that was his retirement plan. And he did that year after year after year after year. And then he would sell some, then he would pay off others, then he would buy others, and he just kind of did that thing. Here I am, never been around real estate. My family rented every place we ever lived in until I was a junior in high school, the end of my junior year. She was raised around a father who was a real estate investor and kind of did his thing, right? Mm-hmm. So now imagine us getting together, and Holly wants to do real estate, and I don't know anything about real estate, and I'm afraid of real estate. How many of you honestly have had some fears about being a real estate investor? I was scared to death. I didn't know anything about it. We always fear what we don't understand, right? My wife came to me, she says, I want to be in real estate. I want to buy properties. I want to do some stuff. I want to be like my dad. And I said to her, dear, I don't. And there was this conflict in the home, man, because we butted heads for a while over this whole thing. And then she finally came to me, and this is where my sweet wife was pretty smart. She got frustrated with me, but she found a really great deal. I mean, a fantastic deal. Nice little duplex. And she said, honey, this is a great property. It's in a wonderful neighborhood. I'll manage it. I'll deal with it. You'll never have to do anything with it. I need your support on this. I need your support. She says, if I don't do this, I will probably live the rest of my life in regret. And you wouldn't want that. What do you say to that, right? I mean, what the heck do you say to that? I'm like, okay, fine, all right, but man, wait until I say I told you so, right? Fast forward. The next year, I'll never forget, going to the accountant, sitting down, and talking about all the depreciation, all the tax advantages that we realized that year, how much of my income we were able to, pretty much reduce in terms of taxable income because of the deductions we had on the home, so that was going to save us a big chunk of cash on our taxes. I thought, wow, that's a pretty cool deal. I kind of like that. I got to take a look at a property that had appreciated in value, so it was continuing to grow in equity position while somebody else lived in it, somebody else paid for our mortgage, paid for our insurance, paid for our property taxes. And that's when the lights really went on. I mean, they really did. Holy smokes, this is a standing gold mine. This real estate thing absolutely rocks, man. I'm so glad I thought of it. My wife literally drug me into real estate, kicking and screaming. I mean, since then, my real estate company did over 2,700 wholesale real estate transactions. I love the property that we own, that we enjoy.